So the perimeter is the area around the outside. So if we take a walk around the block, the sidewalk is the perimeter. Okay? So stand up. Here's our block. We're going to go around our desk. Okay? So we're going to walk the perimeter. Walk the perimeter of the block. Keep walking around the outside. Keep walking. Now where do you think the area is at, Maddie?
In the middle.
In the middle, so now we have to be on the inside of the block. We're just going to stand here, because it's everything on the inside. Okay? So let's compare and contrast perimeter and area. What's perimeter, Maddie?
The outside.
The outside. What's the area, Keegan?
The inside.
The inside. What do you think is the equation to find perimeter?
Side.
Side plus side plus side plus side
Equals the side.
equals the perimeter. What do you think is the area, Anthony?
Area. The inside.
So it's one side
Plus one side.
times one side. If it's a square, it's just going to be this side times this side, right? If it's a rectangle, you have to take length times width. So you can't take length times length, otherwise you're going to forget about width, right? And what do we measure both of them in? What are our units of length?
Feet, yards, inches.
Yards, feet.
Really?
Okay, you can sit down quick. I'm going to tell you a special trick. For perimeter, if we measure it in inches, it's just going to be inches is the label. For yards, or area, remember we talked about laying carpet yesterday? And it's what? Square units, right? So it's going to be inches squared. Got it? Huh? That means squared. So that means that this side is multiplied by 2 times, and this side is multiplied 2 times. There's 2 of those sides and 2 of this side. Got it? Okay, if you go. What?
What's that? It says.
Side?
Yeah.
Side times side. So
You
length.
got the
Sorry. Okay, come over here and grab a piece of brown. And then I'll hand out your yellow pieces. And you all have glue sticks, right? Yeah.
Here are Tommy's. Oh, I see what we're going to do. We're going to do this. We're going to do this.
We're going to make our own door. Or a picture frame. Right.
Or a taco.
So you're going to take your brown paper, and this is going to be our block or our door. I made a door, because I have a doorknob on mine. Okay, and to find perimeter, we have to take side. So glue one side on. On the very outside, glue one side on.
So glue this paper on this.
Yep, glue that big one right on the side. We take one side. We're doing perimeter and area. What did we learn about perimeter, Anthony? Where is the perimeter? It's the outside. So if we're thinking about a city block, or we're thinking about our door here, it's the outside of the door is the perimeter, or it's the sidewalk on the city block.
I need some help.
And all of the houses and the grass and the dogs are the, what's that, Keegan? The inside is the what? The area. So we're taking here, what did we learn about the equation to find perimeter? It's side plus side plus side plus side.
Air and side.
And area is what? Side times side. Good. Perfect. Yep. The two long ones go on the long sides, and then I gave you some short ones. Top and the bottom. And I made some extra ones for our friends that are sick.
And I'm about to be sick because I have a fever.
Oh, no.
You don't feel good?
Oh, and I'm gonna play this song while we're working, and then we're gonna sing it in a couple seconds to remember the difference between perimeter and area. No, sorry, Silas.
Anthony knows this one. Perimeter and area?
Do you ever have trouble finding great stuff on YouTube? Every day he helps you find great stuff to watch.
Huh, that's cute. No, maybe this.
Oh, this is yours. That's the wrong one.
Peabody.
Keep blowing, keep blowing,
Mr. Peabody.
keep blowing.
Yeah, I wonder how we know that. Oh, yeah, kindergarten song.
It's a kindergarten song, but it'll help us remember.
Yeah. It's like a Christmas song.
Find a shape's perimeter, you add all the sides.
Okay.
Yep.
Now what do I do?
Now you're gonna get a black marker. I got him.
Can I just, I think I have one in my book bag.
And on each side, you're gonna write perimeter, 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 perimeter. Just like mine. See mine? So this is what you'll remember. One side, plus one side, plus one side, plus one side. And the area is the inside.
Oh yeah, this is good. Never mind. I'm gonna say.
And you might need some more, so you see out when you get started.
And hey, if you pick up R-I,
It's the rim.
Oh,
So it's the rim. So it's the outside. There's another.
eat them.
No, don't eat them yet. You can eat one.
Yeah. We can eat one?
Just one. If you need some more, I'll.
Woo!
Salty. You alright, you all done?
No.
You
Wait,
have
let
the
me.
area on the inside.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna play this song again. Make sure you're listening because we're gonna sing it.
Ah. I didn't like kindergarten singing.
It's not a kindergarten song. It's a learning song. It's in inches right here. And a circle. To know that perimeter is measured in inches, or just centimeters, or yards. Okay, so put inches, so it's just the basic unit,
On which one?
just on any corner. Just so it's a reminder. And then in the middle, what are we putting?
Inches 2.
Inches squared. Because it's the inside, remember when we were laying the carpet, we need squares. Because if we only buy, if we have a room this big,
I need your door,
and it's 5 feet by 5 feet. Hey, you watching?
Yes.
We buy carpet for a 5 foot by 5 foot room. And we only buy carpet for this much, we only buy it for the perimeter. We have a blank spot in the middle.
Yep.
So that's why we have to do squares. So that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. See, then it'll be covered. Otherwise we have a blank spot in the middle.
Because it's inches
And then you
squared.
know what's underneath.
That's just one inches.
Are you ready? We're going to sing the song.
Can I sing it with us?
Yeah, it'll sing it with us, but I want to make sure everybody knows it.
So can I draw a doorknob this summer?
Yep, you can draw a doorknob.
Yay!
You ready?
Yeah. Okay, so
Ready?
inches or
Yep. Inches is the perimeter because we just measure with basic units.
What's that? Put the doorknob.
And in the middle is inches squared.
I put mine
Because
above
we have to
the
have
R.
squares, right? To cover all of the carpet floor.
Ooh, I'll put a keyhole. Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Stand up, we're all going to sing.
Hold on. Can I have another pretzel? What are we going to do with them? Stare at
Yep.
them? No. Okay.
We're going to stare at them if we can't sing the song. Stand up.
I'm going to eat them. Sonia.
You ready? Salas, are you eating pretzels?
Yes. No.
I can tell you have it in your mouth. Are you ready? I want to hear all of your pretty voices.
Okay. Hey, there's 2 pretzels on the ground. And they're all we're watching.
Remember to go like this. On the outside and then on the inside. Ready? To find a ship's perimeter, perimeter, perimeter. To find a ship's perimeter, just add up both sides. Rectangle area, plus rectangle area is 1 side times the other, and area you'll find. Gotta be loud this time. I couldn't hear this through.
I'm singing.
I could hear you. The ship's perimeter, perimeter, perimeter. To find a ship's perimeter, add up both sides. 'Cause rectangle area, yes, rectangle area is 1 side times the other, and area you'll find. Okay, so now we're going to find the perimeter of our door with pretzels. Each pretzel in our mind is going to be 1 inch. Salas, don't eat them, otherwise you can't find the perimeter of your door.
Okay.
So find the perimeter. What are you going to do? You're going to go all around the.
Sides.
You're going to go all around the outside. So start measuring. Take your pretzels.
I'm gonna take Yeah. And could we eat them?
After we're done. So make sure you have enough room so we can go on the outside if you have to move your iPads.
1, 2, 3, 4,
All
5,
your
6,
table
7.
room.
Mine's 7.
Go all the way around the outside.
All of them?
Hold on.
Like this.
You gotta get it on the table.